welcome you all again to my channel. You are highly welcome. So today I will be sharing how I prepare this delicious okra soup, which the idea came from my husband. So at first we'll be starting with our protein. I'll be using beef for this preparation. Before we continue with the soup description, I'm just going to ask this question. When you don't feel like cooking, what do you usually do? Do you buy outside or you just sleep or you take water and rest? Because for me, I usually get confused. It's not easy cooking every day and thinking of what to eat. But nevertheless, man must chop. It happened that this beautiful day we were trying to figure out what to eat, how to cook. So my husband came with this lovely idea to prepare an okra soup with a touch of fresh tomatoes. I now said, really? I've not really tried using tomato in my okra. But two ways they say it's better than one. And as a good wife I am, I started with the preparation. At the time, I never wanted to prepare something I could not eat or what I will regret cooking. No, when you make something that you cannot eat, you end up regretting. Okra seems to be my best soup ever. I so much love okra. I don't know about you. You can as well share me your best soup at the comment section. Okra is my best. Our meat is done here. I also try to add up a little touch of yellow pepper with a slice of tomato. I didn't want to add much because I wouldn't know how the knowing taste fully would well be. That is my first time of trying. If you are used to this yellow pepper, you find out that it has this special taste it gives to food and the flavor is so good. Another interesting part is there was no crayfish to make this soup. I know you'll be wondering whether this soup that I don't use crayfish, whether it will be sweet or not. But my dad's was cleared. But let me tell you that food is not really what you use to cook it. It's all about how you prepared it. Although my protein was enough because it's the one that is available to make use of. So I'm very much aware that the soup is going to bang. This soup was specially supposed to be prepared by my husband, but he was not around. That is how I carried myself and entered kitchen in peace. Meanwhile, my palm oil is remaining very small in this Saudi Arabia. My brothers and sisters, life has not been easy. Via food here. I'm not making any bad impression. I'm only saying my mind. I'm pouring out to my people that knows me so well here. But since I heard that you can mix your oil with your red oil, that's groundnut oil, I tried as much as possible to retain the quantity that way. I don't really know how I'm sounding, but please manage my voice, okay? As time goes on, I'm going to be sharing a beautiful experience with you all for those of us trying to relocate to Saudi Arabia and you won't afford to miss the video. Let's get back to our cooking. I learned that so many people don't make use of what we call Okpei. I can't remember the name in English. For someone that knows Okpei, you will surely know Ogili. And these are most powerful ingredients that taste so well in our native soup. Although I believe that villages with their different kinds of ingredients, but these two ones are the one I can't afford to miss while preparing my native soup. Ogiri is a native ingredient you add into your soup that you use cocoyam to prepare. While Okpei is a local ingredient you add to any soup that doesn't contain cocoyam. For disclaimers, abeg, this is how I learned from my mom, okay? I still believe that different people have their own method of preparing their native soup with all their different dish. Even so many of the Igbos doesn't add these two native ingredients I just mentioned. But this is me telling you that I cannot afford to miss adding it to my soup whenever I'm going to prepare any native dish. I hope as you are listening to me, you're also learning this beautiful method. Please don't be carried away by my story. I'm trying my best to keep you company and to explain how I cook my own this soup didn't really cost so much, but according to economy right now, things are so expensive that even if you cook a small pot of soup, you are going to end up spending thousands At this point, my people, Momni, bring your plate and I will definitely going to this serve soup didn't cost me up to 1 hour. I finished cooking it in less than 30 minutes. It came out so well. I will not lie, it tastes so good. You're going to try it and definitely you will love it. Another thing that makes your food to go so well is what you use in eating it. For me, I always prefer curry or apple, which is known as cassava, right? Why a lot of people can prefer making use of semolina, semovita, and every other thing that you can combine in eating your soup. Swallow is still swallow depending on the one you like. I ended up eating the soup with what I don't even know the name. The soup tastes so well. And the most important part is that my husband loved it and I was very okay and satisfied. Please subscribe to my channel. Definitely, I know you love this video. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Always watch my video. And I'm going to be seeing you on my next video. Well, bye.